Here comes the openers, walking out to the crease. They'll be looking to lay a solid foundation for their team. Oh, that is a thing of beauty. Into the gap for 4. Oh, what a ball. The stumps are in ruins. Ooh, that looks a lot straighter. That looks a lot straighter. Bowled in. All ends up. Oh, that looks straight. That's a big appeal. Oh, what a strike. Clean, powerful, and it's 6. Oh, that's gone. He's castled. That's the wicket he was looking for. That should be close. That's a very close shot. That's sharp. Turned half a chance into goal.
Great catch.
Makes room. That's a good shot. Has he found the gap? Yes, he has. Oh, what a finish. A towering 6 to close it out. They've done it. And the celebration on the field are a testament to their relentless pursuit of excellence.